Hiya, I'm going to show you a printing technique using leaves, paper and a hammer. It's called leaf smashing and it's a way of getting some really interesting designs down on paper simply using the leaf and the sap from the leaf, the chlorophyll, the green part from the leaf. Okay, so I'm going to pick some leaves, I'm going to do a demonstration and then we can have a chat about it. Alright, here we go. So there you go, that's how you do it. You get your leaves, you get your paper, you get your hammer, and you basically hit the leaves until the chlorophyll comes out, that's the green part, and it stains the paper. So think about your compositions, think about how you line up your leaves, think about the patterns you want to develop. Why don't you have a go? Okay, bye.